Step 8. We're getting close to the finish line. We're getting close. You're going to satisfy yourself as to the condition of the property once and for all. Remove your contingencies. Get that loan locked in, sign loan docs, and close the deal. So that's a lot in that step 8. During those 17 days, you should have satisfied yourself, I want the house. Then it's time to fish or cut bait. Because that seller has taken the house off the market in reliance on you and your good faith to close the deal. So at day 17, you're going to sign a document that says, I am removing all my contingencies, my inspection contingency, my appraisal contingency, my loan contingency. I am full speed ahead with this house. Once you sign that, that doesn't mean you have to buy the house, but once you sign that, if you later get cold feet and change your mind, yeah, you can cancel the contract, but your earnest money, that initial deposit we talked about, that goes to the seller. So I explain this to my clients up front. My agents, the realtors on this team, we all explain that to the client up front, to the buyer. Most agents don't. And honestly, I don't think they know how this works. But there comes a point, in fairness to the seller, you got to let them know, yep, we're good to go. And that's the best way to do it. Remove the contingencies, puts the seller's mind at ease. And you know, you're at that point, yeah, I'm buying this house. I'm excited about buying this house. This shouldn't be a stressful thing. This is an exciting thing. And signing that document puts your mind at ease, puts the seller's mind at ease. We're full speed ahead. Boom. Now we're a week out from closing. You get a chance to do a final walkthrough. During that walkthrough, you make sure the house is in the same or substantially the same condition as when you negotiated the contract. And if we negotiated repairs, like after we got that inspection report, maybe we found something that was of concern to you, we asked for the repair. The seller doesn't have to repair, but the seller in this case agreed. We just double check. Oh yeah, so the plumbing doesn't leak anymore in the master. Great. Or yeah, all these electrical outlets work now. They didn't work before, they work now. Fantastic. So we verify repairs are done, make sure the house is in the same or substantially the same condition. We knock that out, and then we just finalize the details, and you sign your loan documents. So with a VA loan, ordinarily, you're not going to have to bring money to the table because that provides 100% financing. There may be some closing costs you got to bring to the closing table, maybe a few $1,000s, depends. That's with a VA loan. With a conventional loan or a USDA or a FHA loan, those loans, typically you're going to have to bring some money to the table, come out of pocket. So that's going to happen right about the same time that you sign the loan documents. You send your money to the escrow company along with the loan docs. That goes back to the escrow company. And then on the day of closing, your lender sends the money into the escrow, right? This neutral third party that handles the money. Once the money is all in, then the escrow company sends the title rep to record the deed, transferring the property from the seller to you, the buyer, and bingo, once that's recorded, you own the house. Then the seller gets their money, you get the keys, we have a little party, not a party, we have a little blessing at the house. And if you want to have a party, we've always offered, and we've maybe had 3 or 4 clients over the years only take us up on it, but we always offer to buy a keg for the housewarming party. So if you like to drink beer, we will happily buy a keg and I will drink my share. That's the process for military folks buying a house in Southern California.